My name's Ellie and I'm the clinic coordinator at Melbourne Clinic, and I pretty much first developed noticed my hearing loss when I was in high school. So during school, when I didn't have the hearing aids and then I found out that I needed them, one of my problems or one of my concerns were that possibly I could have done better at school maybe. But it didn't matter because I did get what I needed to and I got to uni and completed my degree. But looking back, that was one of the challenges I had to face. The first experience I had with hearing aids was that I felt everything was really loud and clingy and tinny. But once my brain adjusted to the hearing aids, it took a little bit of time, and then it was incredible. I could hear everything with background noise, and in restaurants it was a lot easier to hear people when I was in groups. But yeah, the first experience was quite a shock, I suppose, but worth it. Initially, I suppose I felt that it was a big change, that I was maybe worried about what they might look like, but after I noticed how much they helped, that didn't really worry me at all. I was more just probably wanting to show people that I was wearing them, so then people could be mindful of the way they were also talking to me, which was really important, I felt. I would encourage anyone to seek help for their hearing because it's so important to get onto it early. There's no point in missing out on things that you could really, not miss out on. So currently I'm wearing the Facett, which is this white one here. And it's really helped me a lot because it's quite a beautiful piece, and it makes it feel more of like an accessory, and it's really helped me a lot. So this is the hearing aid. So the battery just clicks off and on, so it's very convenient as well. And then it just goes over the ear. Like that. So thanks for listening. If you want to hear more videos like this, please subscribe to our link on YouTube, please.